Hello, my dear friends. Hello. Welcome to FX Vision channel. This is weekly forex forecast for the upcoming week, starting from Monday, 7th of October 2024, and the week will end on Friday, 11th of October 2024. I will dive into the major currency pairs and try to find out trends and try to find out potential reversal levels and continuation levels in the forex market. So in this video I'm going to give you a complete overall image of the forex market, of all of these different kinds of pairs that I am going to discuss today in this weekly forex forecast. If you haven't already subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any forecast that I will be uploading in the upcoming week. First of all, let's have a look at the global market sentiment. And as we have seen and witnessed in the past week, that at close on Friday, we have seen several economics events such as unemployment claims that came very bad for the dollar. Then NFP, both came very bad for the dollar in actual, but certain pairs still follow the technical levels that discussed last week. But that is the perhaps one reason that I mostly rely on the technicals. In this week ahead, there are the different economic events as well for the dollar, and that is core CPI month on month, CPI month on month, and CPI year on year on Thursday, and then on Friday core PPI month on month and PPI month on month. While I mostly am a technical trader, I rely more on the real market situation. I may not consider these plans for my trading directions. I mean, economic data cannot define my trading direction, at least in the upcoming week. It is important for the intraday and day trading and swings trading on the Thursday and Friday in this week. So this week is definitely going to be very fantastic for anyone who is intraday trader, day trader, can trade these particular levels. Now let's have a look at, I will definitely be explaining different currencies pairs. So last week on the dollar CHF, as you can see where it was standing, it was clearly standing as this particular nice fantastic support 0.83362, and right here as well support at the 0.84018 right here. So last week, as I said, market is going to take a bounce off from the particular level, and it did. It went up for almost 238 pips of the market. Now in the previous video, what I have discussed is there is a previous breakout right here. You can see the market gave breakout, take a retest, and then continuation. And when the market break below, take a retest, and now the market dropped down, and the market is back to the story reset right here. So last week I was expecting a particular rally, but you can see 1 2 3 4 5 consecutive days the market was bullish right here. There were one more level on the H1, sorry, on H4, or I have discussed this particular level, and right there you can see the very fantastic 61.8 retracement of Fibonacci, and market exactly took a rejection from right here. So definitely this place of 0.86063 can be a key level for me in this week. And obviously in this week I want to take a bullish opportunity. I will be looking around these zones right here. 61.8% retracement at 0.8484 is right here, but obviously I can also look for potential buys near 0.85081. So there is going to be a very fantastic trading opportunity. Now let's see what the markets gives us, and obviously if the market gives me a breakout structure near 0.86606, then I will wait really to the come back to the particular zone, and right here I will be taking the further buy decision. So in the case of breakout and then retest at the same level, and right here we can continue to the upside of the market. Now what is a breakout and the retest? Let me show you that on the daily time frame. This is a breakout. See, breakout, retest, and continuation. This is what this is. This at this level is this is a retest, and this is a continuation. So right, I hope you will make a good profits right here. And remember, this is 61.8% retracement. So anyone looking for the H1, give fantastic profits, but I'm not going below H4 today. If you are interested in get my H1 and M15 setup, you can click on the bell icon, subscribe my channel, and definitely once you do that, every day I upload a video, you will get a notification from my channel on all the videos. So right here on the pound usual right, if you see what is in front of me is last week what I said is let me zoom in the chart right here, 1 2 3 4 5, and there was different levels explained right here, which was 1.30308 and 1.300, a very nice round number. As I said, it's dropping, is definitely dropping, and if the upcoming week, if I get a chance, definitely I will become bullish right here. If a break below of this occurs, then definitely I will be looking for this particular support right here that comes near a 1.2676 and 1.2637. So this will be a very separate rate break, then retest, then continuation towards 1.12676. Otherwise right here, if successfully I get into this buy opportunity, I will definitely try to look for my potential profits, and through for that I have to switch back to the H4. Here I will be quickly drawing my Fibonacci zone, and my Fibonacci zone should show something like this. And if it reverses from right here from the present market, then this area of supply is going to be very nice resistance for me as well. So let's see 1.3295. If it give a break of structure to the top side, then it will be moving to 1.3435 and 1.3417. And if we don't get a rejection from that level, then definitely we can trade to the bottom side of the market. Now those traders who want to trade it on the lower time frame, such as the H1, you can watch my daily forecast videos. So obviously this place is for support for 1.3 380 is a very nice fantastic verified support. So it will obviously need some time for the price to take a retest, and then it will be giving a fantastic bullish opportunity. Moving on to the dollar yen. The dollar yen, this is the previous analysis that I gave on my channel, and as for this particular plan, what I have discussed is, let me analyze it for you. There was a very fantastic Fibonacci number right here, as you can see, very fantastic Fibon weekly time frame. And obviously this support become a very nice retested support right here near 140.346, but price obviously moved to 139 as expected. What is going to happen then in this week is definitely showing a bullish wave towards 61.8% retracement right here towards 153.771 on the daily time frame. But on the weekly time frame, but on the daily time frame, if we see, there is one other level that is so the market seems to be taking some time right here, and successful breakout and retest from the further bullish ish from the market. Moving to the H4, and H4 there is no such particular opportunity. And if I explain this nicely, I should say that this is clearly standing on the sell price point at the movement, and there will be two buying decisions we can take in the upcoming week. The first one can be in near 143.231, and obviously the second one will be right here at the price zone of 144.516. Stops will remain below 140.346. So see how simple this particular strategy is. It totally depends on the breakout and the retest and then continuation, right? And then the pullbacks and the trends. Nothing very fancy right here. Moving on further, and also let me show you another pair right here, euro US dollar. Let me delete everything. let me show you the euro US dollar. Last week what I discussed was there were two levels right here. A very fantastic and nice double top confirmed right here, and the last week I have shown that there is a very nice fantastic divergence. And let me quickly put the relative strength for the 14 days. The last week what the situation was like this, and I have already told early clearly and mentioned that is going to go for the sell. So the sell worked 1 2 3 4 5, and here it confirmed the stop loss of 100 pips and maximum move to the 190 pips. Now for this week, obviously if we see, this is clearly standing at the Fibonacci number right here at the price zone of 1.09400 right here, and another support from here started definitely at this particular point at 1.07862. So this whole area I will be titled as the support. We have the break of the structure, and now the switching back to the H4. So in the H4, if we see, definitely is a good chance of the recovery towards the 61.8% retracement, and that is 1.1111 right here. And if the market move back up, I definitely will be trying to take a sell position from up there upon confirmation, right everyone? This is euro US dollar, very fantastic support is standing at the movement. We have seen this previous trend that is broken, so wherever the price go back up, it will try to create, like I mean to say, this is very fantastic supply zone. Remember the difference between the supply zone and the resistance zone. When the resistance zone, I say let the market drop, so when the market will come back there, it will be a supply zone for me, because no rejection occurred from right here. When it go like these, you say these will supply traders, but when the price reach here and here and hereby, then this was already validated for the resistance. So resistance is more stronger than supply zones, because in supply zones the market looks something like this. See, this is my supply zone. I will be taking a sell. I did took a sell, but it is more giving, it's going to give me more profits if it is a verified resistance level, and that's what happened right here. So very simple market it will be, and obviously 1.09 in 432. If the market breaks below this, I will be for it I will apply a sell. So New Zealand US dollar, we have a fundamental data for the New Zealand US dollar as well, but I like to add NZDUSD as well, finding out the resistance and the support levels right here on monthly. And as you can see, if I switch to the weekly time frame, it seems very nice and fantastic. But obviously for this upcoming week, I will need these two levels right here. I can take it right here, I can make it, but this is the master level we are having. But now moving on to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, obviously there is one rejection, the area we have, but overall if we see, it will definitely be trying to take some buying decisions, maybe near 0.6060. Very key and fantastic level. You can see market took very nice test right here. We have multiple breakouts, we have retested as well, we have again breakout. So this time let's see on the daily time frame. There is one concept: whenever the market reverses from the resistance zones, it try to come back down to the support zone, and that support is going to be 0.585555. So let's have a look at it. So if this we see, this is obviously on the H4. Anyone who is interested to take some decisions, this is very much near closer its support, a very nice one right here. As you can see, very fantastic support. But let's see, I'm not going to title it as a demand zone at this particular area. Right here we have a previous zones right here as well. So let's see what the market did do right here. Obviously if it gives a break, I may not be taking a sell decision, because then my buying area at 0.6060 will be almost near me. So what is the favorite choice I have? Definitely I see the market is going back up to this particular zone of 50 and 61.8% retracement at a price of 0.628880.633. So let's see what the market gives us right here. If I get a chance, I definitely can trade this 139 during the week. Moving on to some other pairs, let's have a look at dollar CAD. And dollar CAD, if we see weekly, previous predictions such as to it drops, it didn't drop much right there, but no doubt like 3 months ago it dropped and then I left the market. So let's see if it is in the stronger support right here. This is going to be a support zone on the daily. If we see on the daily, the things are little bit complicated, but right here I definitely will need this particular story right here. So what I definitely will be looking for this particular reversal towards 61.8% retracement at the price of 1.37449. We have a previous level right here. I'm going to highlight this particular zone right here. We have then this level as well. It can also give us some of the fantastic profits, but first on the daily time frame I will be looking for 1.37500 for a sell, and for a buy definitely this is almost validated a buy upon this. Like the euro US dollar, we have seen a double bottom, and right we have seen in there we have seen a double top, and here we are observing double bottom. So let's see 1.3632 and 1.37449, and in the upcoming week on the H4 specifically, if I talk about, definitely the re-entry points, the first intraday will be at 61.8% retracement, 1.3595, and then there will be one other retracement at 1.3486. So obviously this is going to be the last support level right here. Now further, if I show you, there is an ABCD pattern completion exactly, and now the market should show some sort of bearishness right here. There is still a little bit of room left right here, but anyways this is still raging at a sell price point. So maybe any amount of the market gives, you can just take it during the week. Okay, now during the week, from one trading setup, if you can get 50 to 60 pips from the market, then I think it is more than enough, because whenever you place your trade on the lot size, it means that you are following the very nicely trade management. And when you follow the trade management and very nicely, that means since in that situation you have very less burden in your mind, right? Now there are lot of the patterns. If I discuss the reversal pattern and the pullback patterns, let's say all of these levels can be very nicely tradable. If I show you this particular zone on the edge here, right, see multiple rejection from the place right here, and it was obviously tradable on the 15-minute time frame. So if during the week you are having such opportunities, there are dozens, thousands and hundreds of opportunity, but usually I like to trade on the H4. So dollar CAD obviously suggests if it retests 135 1.3519, it can be bought to the top side of the market, though it is currently standing at a very nice sell point right here. So that totally depends on the market structure. One more thing I want to tell you, that is it already broke its Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. So this level can be some hard time to the market as well, because see a breakout and the market seems to be ranging in between these two levels. Let me quickly show you that even if someone is going to trade it on the lower time frame, how that is going to look like. So if you see, this is the highest zone. If it go back up, some risk can be taken right here. 27 pips range it is, but I see further a drop right here for the correction, where I will be looking for a buying decisions. Very nice profitable trades are waiting for us. So it now depends on us that how do we take it. Now move on to the Aussie US dollar. Let's have a look at the monthly time frame. the monthly time frame, let's have a look at it. The last monthly candle gave a break of structure. It means the market is bullish, and if the market is bullish, there is a support level. The support is going to be like this and also like this. So monthly perfect monthly resistance and support level are right here. This will be with me. These levels with will be with me towards 0.1 and 500.7. So moving on to the weekly time frame, and obviously it's a very fantastic zone right here. So on the weekly, if I draw, definitely this is a verified resistance level for me right here. So if this is a resistance on the daily time frame, what I can assume is that the market is going to drop towards 0.66498 in the upcoming week and the weeks after that. If I look at it on the H4, we have seen a very fantastic break of structure there and no good proper support here right here. If you see the market close below this, so in such situation I will highly recommend to sell the market at a price zone of 0.68964 or arrow right here. I'm adding an arrow right here that this is going to sell area from where I can easily book around 100 pips maybe. Or if I do it with the Fibonacci or ABCD pattern right here, then it should do like something like this. And remember everyone, if you understand a particular strategy, it can give you a profits. Now there comes a one more level, that comes a D weekly level, and that's going to be the support on the previous breakout right here. So multiple activity area right here, right here, right here. The market can definitely can continue down, but if it doesn't give me the particular retracement or if come back down, I will be looking some sort of the buying opportunity near 0.67421. So these are the instrument. This is how you need to trade, and if you can trade like this, then I can tell you that you are on the right path of the market. Now, what let's say what I want to give you a concept on the pound dollar. If you see right here, last week what was the prediction and for all of this particular, like see the trend lines, remember everyone, the trend line always pay you. It will pay you very nicely. So let's suppose someone taking a buy from right here, stop loss will definitely the below particular zone. As we can see, market is creating, let's see, a previous level broken right here and higher high, then lower high, then higher high, lower high, higher high. At this time we didn't get another higher high. So the market, so it means the market is going to come back down. Yes, can be taken as a sell in the upcoming week on the H4 from 123,259 as I have already discussed. It's also, let me add an arrow right here beyond the confirmation. Remember there is a different types of a candlestick pattern. There is a lot of the educational stuff, but I have asked you people several times that what type of educational stuff do you want, but there was no response from you all. Please let me know in the comment section that you all want to learn about the candlestick pattern, Fibonacci pattern, ABCD pattern, head and shoulder pattern, or any other pattern. Please my dear friends, like and subscribe my channel. Please press the thumb uh, please like and subscribe my channel for the daily updates regarding the forex video, and please share my video with each and every one who wants to be in the forex market to earn the money. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.